Alright guys, the victim of today's video is a brand new 80s era dollar store cube, straight from the Disney store. The cube is considerably larger than most 3x3s, and it performs pretty poo. As you can see by Alex's demonstration here, the turning is clunky, the corner cutting is non-existent, and basically solving this thing would be a waste of time, so we decided instead that we would destroy it.
Finger triggering on this cube is basically impossible, so I didn't feel too bad with destroying it this time.
This is the mechanism of the cube. It's old and clunky like the cube itself.
Alright, so we filled up a bucket of water so we can dunk the cube in it and get it all soaked. And what we're going to do after that is you take an air duster, turn it upside down and spray it, and what it does is it insta-freezes it. Once it's brittle, we then take a hammer and smash it, and the result was pretty cool. So we'll let you watch the video now.
Soaking that cube in the middle of a Canadian winter day. It's freezing.
Ready? Yes. Fire.
Yes, Curtis. Boom. Miss. Oh, that's good. I like it. Thanks for watching, guys, and you can click the annotations here for more videos.